Chicken sandwich recipe, detailed. Memo ingredients. For chicken, 250 grams boneless chicken, breast or thigh. 1 cup water for boiling. A half teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon black pepper. A half teaspoon garlic powder, or 1 crushed garlic clove. For sandwich filling, 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon ketchup, optional. A half teaspoon black pepper. A half teaspoon red chili powder or chili sauce, optional. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon fresh cream, optional, for extra creaminess. Vegetables. 1 small onion, thinly sliced. 1 small tomato, thin slices. Lettuce leaves or cabbage, optional. Bread and others. 4-6 bread slices, white or brown. Butter for toasting. Cheese slices, optional. Woman cooks step-by-step method. Step 1, boil the chicken. Wash the chicken properly. Add chicken, water, salt, black pepper, and garlic to a pot. Boil on medium heat for 12-15 minutes until fully cooked and soft. Remove chicken and let it cool. Shred the chicken using hands or fork. Backhand index pointing right tip. Do not throw away the chicken stock. It can be used in soups. Step 2, prepare chicken filling. In a bowl, add shredded chicken. Add mayonnaise, ketchup, black pepper, chili powder, salt, and cream. Mix everything well until creamy. Taste and adjust salt or spice. Step 3, prepare bread. Spread butter lightly on one side of each bread slice. Toast on a pan or tawa until golden brown. Toasting is optional, but improves taste and texture. Step 4, assemble the sandwich. Take 1 bread slice. Spread chicken filling evenly. Add onion, tomato, and lettuce. Place cheese slice if using. Cover with another bread slice. Step 5, serve. Cut sandwich diagonally or into halves. Serve hot or cold. Best served with French fries, chips, coleslaw, ketchup or chili garlic sauce. Hot variations. Fire spicy chicken sandwich. Add green chilies. Add peri-peri or chili garlic sauce. Cheese wedge cheesy chicken sandwich. Add extra cheese. Grill until cheese melts. Fire grilled chicken sandwich. Grill assembled sandwich for 2-3 minutes each side.